Well, that's my first kill for today. I ran it over. If I can run over a deer, that would be just so simple. Just run it over, pick it up, put it in the back, save some money on some bullets. Still very dark. This is my last hunt. I'll see what I can come up with. I've already spooked one deer. I was just bush stalking and I just saw it run away from me. It was about 50 meters away from it. Yeah, didn't even have a chance to shoot it. Just saw its bum hole. Anyway, I'm a long way away from my car. I expect to finish this pretty late, probably at night time. I've walked to the other side of the block, pretty much the end, and I give up on bush stalking. I'm just too noisy, and no matter how quiet I walk, they just know that I'm coming. So there's this bit of strip here, that is I'm just walking within 100 meters away from the farmer's land fence side, and there's neat little pockets that I believe there should be some deer hanging around. So I've got a bit of walking, and then I'll just cut into the bush and head to the road. So, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Got it. Do I have it? Do I have it? Oh, look at that. Oh. I'm just going to take this original audio out because when I get excited, I swear a lot. Holy shit, I shot it in the head. Oh. Woo! Yes! I saved the best for last. Oh my god, I didn't even see it. All I saw was 4 legs and I knew it was a deer. And I had to get past this tree here, so I just crouched down, fire, and luckily it hit. And it just happened so quick. I didn't turn this on enough time. But yeah. So I don't know what happened there. I think I must have done a headshot and the bullet went exactly where this is. So that's broken off. I'm guessing that's the first one. The first shot, just above there. Yeah. Oh, I have walked a long way to get this. There's no way I'm going to carry this out. I have got a good backpack, so I am going to field dress it, put as much meat as I can in my backpack, and yeah, I'll do that because I've got a long way to walk. I think I've got, not too sure, I need to check the map how far I've got to walk, but I'll spend an hour just getting this ready. Wow, that was really cool. I couldn't believe it. It was just basically just here where the bag is. I was over there coming up the hill. I gave up hope because I was just making so much noise. I heard a little bit of noise, but I just thought it was leaves falling down. And next minute, turn around, saw this strange looking tree that looks like legs, and then realized, oh shoot, it's a deer. Don't know if it's a hind or a stag or buck or whatever kind of deer it was. It's a fallow anyway. Quickly took a shot, turned the camera on, took the second shot, and yeah, here we are. This is a good way to end my holiday, to be quite honest. Save the best for last. And honestly, this is my last hunt because you know, I didn't shoot this earlier on my holiday and saved it to the last video. This was actually my very last hunt and I managed to score it. So yeah, pretty stoked with that. I'm not too happy with the antenna coming off because I would have really liked to, you know, mount that skull. But yeah. Oh well. I would say the next one's with the bow. The next one's with the bow. Yeah, let's do it. Let's get one with the bow. Probably not this year, but next time. Yeah. Stinky bugger. Okay. There's a lot of meat in that. Heaps of meat. It's going to be quite heavy. I'm guessing it's about 20 kg that pack now. Okay, we'll see how heavy this pack is. Oh shoot. Oh my gosh. It felt it on my leg. Oh, that's a heavy pack. Yeah, I don't think I can stuff any more meat on that. That is heavy. I'm going to be leaning forward most of the time. Unfortunately, it's all uphill. I have to stop quite a bit because this pack is really weighing down on my skinny legs here. Oh. Some of this doesn't look very good. Looks like I'm coming up to a cliff. The good news is that there's no more uphill from now on, besides I'm getting on the track. That's the only uphill, which is way over there somewhere. Gotta get down, get to the clearing, and then, yeah, making my way. Don't know how I ended up here. There will be deer everywhere in this block. I'm coming up to little pockets of clearing within the dockland, right in the middle of the bush. Signs everywhere. Pig signs, deer signs, goat signs, everything's here. Just need to find it. Well, that's the end of this video. I am 10 minutes away from the car. Got my things and my meat. I am absolutely stuffed. That is really one of the hardest things I had to do physically. But yeah, I'm out of the bush now. I'm just got 10 minutes of walking to the car. yeah, that's just the way hunting goes, I guess. Anyway, catch you on my next video. I'm really tired. I really can't talk anymore. Rabbit and a deer. What a day.